I will explain to you the tutorial on using this worry-free sticker. Tear open the inner packaging. You can get two types of stickers inside. One main sticker and two back stickers. The main sticker flat end is the front. Round head end is rear. Before the official launch, you must ensure that the private parts are clean and dry. If there is sweat, it must be completely dried before use. The first step is to take out the main sticker for position comparison. With trapezoidal absorbent cotton front end, can cover private parts. Most of the above hairs are the baseline. Second step, tear off the long sticker on the front. Paste back and forth according to the align position. And press lightly multiple times. Step 3, tear off the front, left and right wing stickers in turn. Tear off the sticker on the back. Step reinforcement with extension patches. The use of the extension sticker is similar to the main sticker. After pasting the front first, tear off the sticker on the back. Extension stickers are mainly used for exposed hair and the gap between the lip and tail groove. It is recommended to use all, especially newbies. We also have another size. There is no foreign body feeling on it, and it's wrapped very tightly. No water at all. Clean. Have fun too, hurry up.